3 hot tips to increase your Forex profits. At first it may seem that getting into affiliate marketing can be very confusing. Affiliate marketing is just like anything else, once you start learning you start to understand about it more. Here are some more tips that help you understand some key components when it comes to affiliate marketing. Define your goals before you start working if you want to achieve the best results. This is something all business owners have to do, and it doesn't change simply because your business operates online. Take your time and write down your goals and overall mission. Having something solid to aspire to will help you reach your destination. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable way to make money. Instead of actually owning the products, you refer people to buy them and make a commission off of it. One easy way to do this would be to post your website or product on a forum or blog in order to get the most people possible. Gaining trust is an important factor to consider for successful affiliate marketing. One way to foster trust is to show a passion for your product. The more personality and excitement you show, the easier it will be to build a trusted following. Building something of a relationship with your visitors now will only boost your link potential in the future. People are more likely to click on your affiliate links if you give them a good reason to do so. Use the links to complement the content on your site. If you're trying to sell books, include a short review of the book and explain why you are recommending it. So as you can see, once you learn some of the basics and other insider knowledge, learning about affiliate marketing becomes easier and easier. Make sure you review and understand the material from this video, then read around to gather some more tips to get some more knowledge on affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.